We're going to head to the Bierzo region of Spain and drink some Mencia. All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casera. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And like I said in the intro, we are heading back to the northern reaches of Spain to drink some red wine. So this is wine that is from the Bierzo region, and you can kind of see that guy. And these wines, the wines from the Bierzo region, are comprised of the Mencia grape, which, if you know how to speak Spanish, I think it's technically Mencia, but you know, since I'm Italian, we're going Mencia. Mencia is, so if you think back, we had a couple of examples of these wines on the channel before, and what they are is they're kind of like a heavy, a light to medium version of red wine. So it's like a heavier version of Pinot Noir, but not by much. They're still very light, very easy to drink. Although this one's a little bit darker than I am used to seeing. This is a 2018 St. Jacques from the Raul Perez winery. The Perez name in the area of Mencia is, in the area of Bierzo, is just, you know, it's borderline unparalleled. So I've had this wine a couple times before, once out at a restaurant, once at home from the bottle. So I figured, let's get another bottle, let's give it another try, see if it was as glorious this time as I remembered. And then if it is, you go out and buy it and thank me later. All right. Yeah, so, oh man. So this is like a black cherry syrup with a bunch of spices mixed in. So I don't know, maybe you think of like a black cherry pie, which doesn't really exist, but go with me. And there's almost a little bit of not quite a barnyard note, but there's a little dirty or earthy funk in here. So this wine has a lot going for it. It's just delicious. So there are wines that have a delicious factor. Some wines have it, some wines don't. This one has it. The acidity is remarkable, so that's always good when it comes to putting this with any sort of food, but I feel like I'm ready to go roast a chicken with some potatoes and vegetables and call it a day. So, you know, I think if for those who haven't had a Mencia-based wine, go to Bierzo, start there, and either grab this bottle from Raul Perez or go grab the Palacios Petalos bottle that we've done on the channel before. I'll link up an episode to that. These are amazing value wines from Spain, and they need to be explored. So until next time, cheers, and thanks again for joining. Hey guys, it's Chris. I wanted to thank you for watching the video. I wanted to encourage you to like and subscribe, tell your friends, share it on any platform that you can, and you know, hopefully I'll see you next time. You know, put that bell on so that whenever I release a video, you get notified right away.